Namaste students. In this video we are going to see 8th and 9th problem in the exercise 6.3. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD is a parallelogram. What are all properties we have in a parallelogram? Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. And then BE intersect CD. BE intersects CD at F. Show that the triangle ABE. Where is ABE? Triangle ABE, that is this triangle, orange color triangle, and CFB. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, now listen, how we have to prove that the two triangles are similar. Here they didn't mention anything about the side, but we know only one thing, that in the parallelogram opposite angles are equal. One angle is equal. If we find another angle is equal, if we said that another one angle is equal, means we can prove that the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. How we can prove the one more angle is equal? Is there is any possibilities here? In the parallelogram opposite angles are equal, so I marked angle A and angle C is equal. Here I can't mark it because half a portion in this triangle and half a portion in this triangle, so we can't take the opposite angle of a parallelograms are equal. Here for this triangle we don't have D itself, so we can't take that one. And another possibility is, there is any other possibilities, we can't take that the vertically opposite angles are equal also. So the only thing is opposite sides are parallel. So this is parallel line. AB and CD is parallel, and EB is a transversal. EBE is a transversal. Then I can tell that alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Clear? So opposite sides of a parallelogram, opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal, and AB and CD is parallel line, and BE is a transversal. Then we can tell that alternate interior angles are equal. Clear? So first you have to write given E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at F. This is given, and prove that. What we have to prove? Triangle ABE is similar to the triangle CFB. Is similar to the triangle CFB. So proof. Which two triangles we have to take? In triangle ABE and triangle CFB. First one, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle A, angle C. In between angle A is equal to angle C. The remaining things write side of the triangle, side of the A. Okay, then C, F, B. F, B. Clear? First write the middle vertex and then write the remaining two vertex. Then alternate interior angles are equal. B, E. Alternate interior angles are equal. B, E. So this in this triangle E and B. So E remaining is AB. Here B, C, F. Clear? So this is by opposite angles of a triangle, of a parallelogram. And this is by alternate interior angles. Clear? Therefore, by AA similarity criterion, the triangle ABE is similar to the triangle CFB. So first what we have seen, first we chosen that by using AAA similarity criterion I'm going to use. I chosen that one, and after that given to prove that proof. Thank you. Next, ninth problem in exercise 6.3. In a figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and right angled at M respectively. Prove that the triangle, which triangle we have to prove? ABC. This triangle ABC and a triangle AMP. So how we can prove that the two triangles are similar? Any guesses? They didn't mention anything about the sides, but we know that one angle is equal. Can you tell some other angle is equal? In this triangle ABC and AMP, in both the triangle A is common. Okay, so I can tell that the two triangles are similar by AA similarity criterion. Okay, first write given ABC and AMP are two right triangles right angle at B and M respectively, and we have to prove first one, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle AMP. Second one, CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP. Clear? So first one easily we can prove by AAA similarity criterion. Then how we can prove this one? CA, that is CA divided by PA. CA divided by PA and BC divided by MP. The corresponding sides of the two triangles. For this triangle, AP and MP is one of the sides, and for this triangle, AC and BC is also the sides of the triangles. So if we prove that the two triangles are similar, then we can prove this one by corresponding sides are in same ratio. Clear? So first I am going to prove that the two triangles are similar. Proof. First take the two triangles ABC and triangle AMP. First take the two triangle and then first mention the 90 degree. First mention the 90 degree. BM. B, remaining is AC. Here M, the remaining is AP. Okay, and then mention angle A. Angle A, so BC is remaining, and here angle A, MP is remaining. So this is each 90 degree, and this is common. So by A similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle AMP. Is similar to the triangle AMP. Okay. Since the two triangles are similar, I can tell that the corresponding sides will be proportional. Okay, this is the first proof and this is second. Since triangle ABC is similar to the triangle AMP, then corresponding sides will be proportional. That is CA divided by AP is equal to BC divided by MP. Second one also be proved. Clear all of you? Thank you.